Wanna go with it?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. I think an important thing is that most people don't think of drug addiction as a symptom, as like a kid who's sticking a needle in his arm and saying, "Hey, help me! I need help. I don't know how to live." Keep looking for this answer to this drug addiction being the problem, and it seems that the problem's right in front of their nose, and they keep missing it.
Every single day you see people cold pass away from what? Drugs. I can't understand why you wanna get high, my man. You working 7 days a week, get your check of what you do. You spend it on drugs, and that ain't cool. Because when you come down, you feel sick and plus you're broke. You keep this up, and you just might grow. And just imagine on your death certificate, it would say cause of death, overdose at the age of 20 from drugs. Yo, drugs. Man, don't say you can stop when you know you cannot. Don't tell me you're gonna quit when you know you are not. So what you smoke pot and not the cane? It's still the same. You're destroying your brain. Frontin' like you ain't addicted. What's up, cool? You ain't hurting me, you're hurting YOU. Because every time you puff on that Mary J, some of your